Hi, I'm Katie, and this is my VSTE in Action Accessibility Demo Slam winning show. And so I showed Zipcaptions.app, so you can go to that website and you can live caption your classroom throughout the classroom. And there's a lot of ways to modify what's on the screen. So I'll show you how easy it is to work. All you have to do is go to the website, turn the little microphone in the top right corner on to listen, and it will start captioning and live captioning whatever the microphone picks up. So you can see that it has the live captions on the screen. And then on the right side of the screen, you can go over and you can modify everything from text size. So you can really make it bigger if you have some students also with visual needs. You can change the line spacing and how it appears. You can show how and change the direction of the online or the screen results. You can also, so you can make it go from top to bottom or bottom to top, and you can put it in a full screen mode. And so lots of ways to edit it there. I'm going to stop it for a minute and show you some other things that if I reload the page and before you begin, you can go into settings and you can even change the colors. So I like I love a dark background, but some people prefer light. And that's what accessibility is all about, is finding and having choices for what we use. So you can see there's all types of different color palettes you can use. You can speak in different languages. It does not translate, but you can choose the language that you are speaking. And you can choose the font. So maybe you're going to want something a little more sans serif. And again, Lexend is a great font for our emerging readers and readers who need some special font support. And then you can decide how many lines you want to appear on the screen. So maybe you just want one line, and they'll just see one line of text on the screen at a time, because sometimes if you have that whole wall of text, it could be distracting. So let me go back and we'll see what that looks like. Back. Let me save my settings and let's go to listen and let's see what it looks like now. So right now I have the text at the top of the screen and it's big, and I can again still modify that here if I want, so I can go and make it smaller. And again, really powerful way to live caption your class, supports all learners in your classroom, from L students, our emerging readers, and our hearing impaired students. So go check out Zipcaption.